few days ago, I almost hit buy on Zeely AI without thinking twice. Well, the demos looked amazing, the hype was real, but then I stopped myself and asked, wait, should I really spend money on this? So instead of jumping in, I tested it hard. Real usage, real projects, real results. Here's what I found. Step 1, first impressions. When I first logged into Zeely AI, I liked what I saw. Clean interface, clear options. It didn't feel like some half-baked side project someone rushed out. That made me curious, but also cautious. Step 2, testing the core features. I started by creating a short video, an image set, and a voiceover. The results weren't bad, some were actually pretty good. But something weird happened. The good outputs looked great and the so-so ones looked off. Not just slightly flawed, but obviously unfinished. That told me something important. Zeely's strengths depend heavily on how you prompt it. If you get the prompt right, you win. Get it wrong, and you waste time. Step 3, where Zeely shines. Here's the honest part. It did great with quick creative tasks. Thumbnails, social graphics, short clips. If you need something usable fast, it delivers. Even better, it's easy. No confusing menus, no long setup. Step 4, where it falls short. Not everything was perfect. Some visuals looked smudgy. Videos needed extra edits outside the tool. It wasn't always consistent. For people who want professional polish, you still need your own touch. Step 5, should you buy it? Here's what I think. If you want speed and convenience, Zeely AI can be really helpful. But if you expect it to replace your whole creative workflow, not yet. It's a tool, not a miracle. Final thought. So before buying Zeely AI, decide what you actually need it for, because it's useful, just not magic. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next one.